Welcome to your ClearCaptions phone installation for landline service. You can pause or play the installation video using the controls at the bottom of the video screen to listen at your own pace. Before opening the box containing your new phone, you will need to visit portal.clearcaptions.com on your desktop computer or mobile phone to log in with your ClearCaptions username and password. Please follow the steps to complete your registration. Once you have completed registration, you can begin installing your phone. You are now ready to install your phone. When you first open your ClearCaptions phone packaging, you should find a ClearCaptions phone and stand, a ClearCaptions phone guide, braille sticker, accessories, and a return label. To start the installation, place your new ClearCaptions phone in a convenient area near a power outlet, phone jack, wired or wireless internet connection, and feed the black power cord through the phone stand and plug it into the back of the phone where it says Power. Then plug the other end into an outlet. Once powered on, the phone will display the startup screen and activate the setup process. Plug in the white phone cord into the back of the phone where it says Phone. Insert the other end into an accessible active RJ11 telephone port. Note that an inactive wall port can often be activated by plugging an active source line into a wall port in another room. You can connect to the internet using either an Ethernet cord or connecting to your Wi-Fi network when prompted during the setup wizard. Remember, please avoid creating tripping hazards with loose wires. Call the ClearCaptions Support Team at 866-868-8695 for further options if you have trouble with connecting through your landline service. If you are not connected to the internet, you will see a Tap Here to Fix button for the first step on the setup wizard. Select Wi-Fi or Ethernet connection. If choosing Wi-Fi, select your Wi-Fi network name from the list and enter your password when asked. A green check mark on the next screen indicates a successful connection. Tap Next when you are ready to continue. The phone will automatically check for software updates. If you have not completed registration through the ClearCaptions customer portal on a desktop computer or mobile device, you will be presented with the following steps on your phone. If you have already completed these steps, you may move on to the next section of the installation process. To begin, enter your ClearCaptions username and password. Note: your password will be case-sensitive. The username is the same as your email address. The temporary password was provided to you by your ClearCaptions representative and is available to your installer on a limited basis. Please be sure you recognize the credentials being used to connect your phone. If you experience any problems with your login credentials, please contact the ClearCaptions Support Team. Tap the blue login button to move on to the next page. You will now go through a series of screens asking you to enter or confirm the following. Consent for use of electronic signature. Consent to share registration information with the FCC's user registration database. Your birth date, the last 4 digits of your Social Security number. The FCC Self-Certification Acknowledgement. Please carefully review the FCC's self-certification and tap the Accept button to acknowledge all requirements. Please read and accept the ClearCaptions terms and conditions. The Customer Proprietary Network Information Terms. After reading, you can either accept or decline. Selecting Accept means that we can contact you about new product or product enhancement information that we think would benefit you. Note that selecting Decline will have no impact on your eligibility to receive the ClearCaptions service. Enter the phone number you are using on your phone. When the registration reports success, you will see a blue check mark next to the registration step. Congratulations! You can now move on to the tour. You can explore all the features of your phone by tapping the tour button and watching the overview video. When the video is over, the home screen will be displayed. You can watch the video again at any time from the help section. You can skip the tour by tapping the start button. Your phone has many volume and sound control options. To adjust the ringer and active call volume, use the volume rocker bar to raise or lower the volume to your liking. Press the plus on the volume rocker bar to raise the level, or press the minus to lower the level. You should see the light bar change based on the adjustments being made. You can turn on the speakerphone by pressing the speaker button on the phone. The screen should indicate that the speaker is on. Important: if the lights go into the red zone, the volume level of your handset and speakerphone will switch over to amplify mode. There is an option called Amplify Reset, which is off by default, but when on, adjust the volume to a safe level after each call. If set to on during a call, you can utilize the Amplify button on the front of your phone to bring the volume back to the higher level you set it to previously. To adjust your ringtone settings, tap on Settings, then Sounds, then Ringtone Frequency, and choose your selection from the low, medium, and high frequency options that best match your level of hearing. All volume control changes will be saved and can be updated at any time. At the top of your phone is a light bar that flashes to indicate when you have an incoming phone call or a new voicemail. Once you answer the incoming phone call or listen to your new voicemail, the light bar will stop flashing. A solid light means the handset is off the hook. Your phone also has a sleep timeout function that determines how long the screen will remain active before it goes dark due to inactivity. From the home screen, tap the settings icon and then tap display. You can increase or decrease the sleep timeout in increments of 1 to 20 minutes. If your phone is in a bedroom, we suggest selecting a shorter active screen time. To adjust the size and background color of the captioning, go to Settings, tap Phone. Then select Caption Settings followed by Captions Display. You can adjust the color and font size to your liking. Changes will be saved automatically and can be adjusted at any time. Your phone has a built-in voicemail system, which is already set up as the primary answering service for your phone. To customize your voicemail, tap the settings icon, then tap Voicemail. You have the option of setting up a personalized outbound greeting by tapping Record, or you can use the default greeting by tapping Use Default. You can tap Listen to hear your recorded greeting or the default greeting at any time. Upon completing this process, your choices will be saved and a new menu will appear. If you would like the white light to flash when you have a new message, make sure the slider is green and says On. On this screen, you can also set the number of rings you want before the voicemail picks up. Options range from 2 rings up to 12. Important: if you have an existing voicemail service, you will want to contact your telephone service provider in order to have it deactivated so there are no conflicts with your new voicemail. On the home screen, tap the contacts icon, then tap the add icon on the bottom of the screen. Type in the first and last name of the contact followed by their phone number. Contacts are then alphabetized by last name. To designate one of your contacts as a favorite, tap on the contacts icon on the home screen. Tap the contact you wish to add to favorites, then tap the heart icon next to the number, or numbers you'd like to add to favorites, and then tap the Yes button to confirm. the favorites icon on the home screen. Tap the ClearCaptions Support Team contact located at the top left of the favorites screen. You can also find this number on the inside of your handset. You will now be able to ask a ClearCaptions customer support representative to help you with setting the volume on the speakerphone and handset. To find our help videos, tap the help icon on the home screen. Tap the video you want to play. You can pause and restart the video by tapping the screen during playback. For additional quick tips on how to use your new phone, please look over the ClearCaptions Phone Guide or the help videos located on your phone. Now that you've watched this video, here are a few important tips to have the best captioning experience. Listen first, then read the captions. Ask callers to speak slowly and clearly. Allow a few moments for your captions to appear. Eliminate background noise. Some names and words may appear differently on the screen. For example, 2 and 2. You can also make adjustments to your phone's caption speed by tapping the Options button at the bottom of your screen and then tapping the speed icon and the plus or minus icons to adjust your caption speed to slow, medium, or fast. As a reminder, make sure you set the time according to your time zone in the settings section of the phone. To reach our ClearCaptions support team, please call 866-868-8695. Thank you for choosing ClearCaptions. We hope you enjoy your new ClearCaptions phone.